Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a weird position where for some reason your DMs on TikTok are just not working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons, but I will be honest, most of the time it is a TikTok problem. I will say about 50% of the time it's a TikTok problem, 45% of the time it's a network problem, and then 5% it's maybe some random app compatibility thing, whatever the case is. So if it's the 50%, like I said, it's a TikTok problem. Chances are if you're at home and randomly, let's say your DMs aren't working. I don't even think I've ever gotten a DM on TikTok. I don't know right here. As you can see, if it randomly isn't working, it's not showing your messages or anything like that. What you want to do is you want to go to the comment section of this video, or if this video doesn't blow up and get, a lot of views, then chances are it's probably gonna get like 300 views. You want to go onto Twitter, Instagram, other social media platforms and see if TikTok DMs are also, trending on there, or if anybody else is complaining about their DMs on TikTok. Sometimes, and most of the time, if an issue arises on any social media platform, most people will go ahead and go to other ones to kind of vent their problems. And if this video, like I said, gets views, then you can just look in the comment section of this video, sort by the latest, or sort by the newest comments, and see if people are, saying like, oh, DMs are down, TikTok's down, or whatever. And if you're currently experiencing that, I want you to comment down there too, so then other people can basically see that. So let's say now, okay, that doesn't seem the problem. Nobody seemed to be talking about or commenting about it. So maybe it's just a you problem. Well, there's a couple of different things you can do in this case. What I would recommend doing is checking and making sure you're connected to a strong network. And a way to tell this is, first of all, if you're on an iPhone, Android, go into your Wi-Fi panel. They're pretty much in the same spot. Make sure you're connected to a good Wi-Fi signal or a good data signal, whether that's cellular or whatever. Then you want to go, open up some random websites. Just try to load up your web pages and see if it loads up in time. If it takes a long time for these things to load up, then chances are you may actually be in a situation where your network isn't even good. So you may have to connect to a better network in order for it to actually get fixed. Now let's say everything's loading up and everything, and it still seems like TikTok is still experiencing some random issues and they're not showing your DMs. Well, another way to go ahead and fix this is to actually update the app. So what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your App Store or the Google Play Store, whichever one it is. And once you're on it, you just want to basically search up TikTok. So we're going to go ahead and search up TikTok for you. And most of the time, there probably is an update out for your specific app. So like I said, you want to search up TikTok or whatever. You want to go ahead and click on it. And if it shows you that there's an update or there's, a new version out, you basically want to go ahead and update to that specific version. So as long as you're up to date, then you're going to be perfectly set. And that's probably the best way to go about doing it. That's the best way to actually go ahead and pretty much maintain and secure your TikTok. If you're on a super outdated version, it's probably not going to be the safest thing. And then at that point, you want to go back into your DMs, and chances are your DMs will probably be working at this point. If it still isn't working, then what I would recommend doing is deleting TikTok. So delete the app from your phone and then actually install it back in. So go back into your app store, install that thing, and then hopefully your DMs are working again. If it is, then you're set. If it isn't, then I would recommend kind of repeating the same processes and making sure TikTok isn't actually down. Because like I said before, sometimes that is the case. So that really pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.